Hi everybody, I'm just coming on really quick this morning to share the Halloween cards that I've made with Leslie Bromfield's Halloween August card kit. If you go over to Leslie Crafts on Facebook, that's where you can buy it from. And also if you go to Leslie Bromfield's channel, she has got the kit as it is. She shows you packing it up. Right, this is going to be quick because I've got the kids off on holiday and we're bound to be interrupted. So this, yes, so this was following the card sketch in the Divas group. So all those are the same layout with a tag and two banners. This one is a piece of the pattern paper that comes in the kit, and I've embossed a black cardstock, stuck one of the sayings on, and I've fussy cut the skull out from the papers. Then I've made some 3x3 little cards to go in swaps. Those will fit in nicely into swaps. And these are some embellishments that I've made using the kit. It's a rosette. I've done 3 little frames. You get a die cut in each month, and this month it was a witch, a really cute witch holding books. So I've done a bag of chips, done a couple of mason jars using the kit, the papers and the ephemera pack that you get in the words. I do believe I've got another, there's another one. It's a lovely gothic alternative kit this month. It's really unusual. That is a cluster embellishment. It's a rosette that I've made. Get your witch on. And another one. These are using the moons that come in the ephemera pack and the other bits. It's an absolutely gorgeous ephemera pack. I mean, it's really lovely. Everybody can see that from what you can see here. It's absolutely lovely ephemera pack. Made some banners. Another banner. And if you go over to Leslie Bromfield's channel, like I say, you see exactly what's in the kit, and that she's cut out 10 coffins for you to make shakers with. So that's my first shaker. And that is my second shaker. I've only done 2 so far using the gothic kit of the coffins. Here's a few that I've got left. I've got more somewhere. But you get 10 tops and 10 bases in your kit. That's brilliant because she's done all the work for you. You get absolutely loads of ephemera. It's well worth it. And like I say, go over to, it's Leslie Crafts on Facebook if you want to purchase the kit. But if you want a closer look at what's actually in the kit, if you go over to Leslie Bromfield's channel, then she shows you packing up one of the kits, because there is add-ons as well. I haven't got them this month, but they are add-ons that come in the kit as well. So she'll show you them on her video. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.